Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Twitter or X username. So the first step you simply need to do is to open X application. So once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. From here, you need to click on settings and support. Then you need to click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on your account. Then you need to click on account information. And here you need to click on your username. From here you can change your username. So here you can see that I already changed, and if there is cross mark here you are unable to change. So let me show you. So this is the, let me select this one. So here you can see that this username is already taken, so I'm going to add some characters with that. And when it is ticked, then you simply need to click on done, and after that your username will be changed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.